Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this video we are going to take a look at the differences between Germany and Austria when it comes to adjectives. I guess you haven't heard some of the strange words we are going to talk about today. By the way, if you want to know more about a specific topic in the upcoming videos, please let me know in the comments below. In this video, we are going to talk about 7 adjectives in German and in Austrian German. It is safe to say that there are gonna be huge differences. Let's start with the word crazy. In Germany, most people will say verrückt. Austrians prefer the term narrisch. For example, ich wär narrisch. I'm going crazy. Another difference can be found for the word stupid. In German, it is dumm. In Austrian German, you will come across the word deppert. For example, bist du deppert? This is an expression of being surprised. The next word we analyze is clumsy. The German word is tollpatschig. In Austria, many people will use borchert. Sei nicht so borchert, for instance, means don't be that clumsy. The English word for awesome may be translated as toll in German, and leiwand in Austrian German. Especially in Vienna, people will say leiwand. This is leiwand. That's awesome. Another adjective we are going to talk about today is silent. In Germany, you will come across still. In Austria, you will also find the word stad. Stade Zeit means silent time. Crispy can be translated as knusprig in German, and resch in Austrian German. For example, a resches Semmel means a crispy bread roll. Finally, let's take a look at the phrase step by step. Many Germans would say allmählich. In Austria, you may also come across the weird word zitzelweis. Well, thanks a lot for watching. Danke. See you in the next tutorial.